Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 18 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So today's day started at 8:30. I had slept very late last night and was very tired, so a little bit late. After that I had water and brushed and had breakfast. Then I was trying to build momentum to work again after wasting time for this days. I mean, yesterday was not that wasting of time. I did something related to my work only, but that momentum of working continuously, that was broken. Okay, so that I was trying to build. Could not do anything much, but I was feeling very tired as well. Then I had another shoot in the evening, so I was planning for that. It was a shoot, like it was a video shoot. Okay, it was not like a photo shoot or anything, it was a video shoot, and so I had planned an outfit for that. Then I thought of doing my laundry because I did not do it on Sunday, so I did that. After that I had my lunch and I got ready for the shoot, because I don't know, but getting ready for the shoots take quite a bit of time. Then we left for the shoot. They actually had initially told me to come at 4:30, so it means I got late a little bit. I left at 4:20 from my home, and it usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes to reach to that location, so I had left quickly. Then they anyways told that to be there at 5 o'clock, so then I told my mom to slow down, and I had some bank work to do. So first we went over there, we went to the bank and we did the work, completed the work, was done, and it was going to be 5 o'clock, like there were some few minutes left. So I told my mom, we'll just stand over here and then go at exit 5 o'clock over there. Then we went over there to the shoot location, and the person was already there. He was a great one, even he was very kind and made me comfortable. So we spoke for a little time, like what we were gonna do. Did some little discussion. Then my mom left for her work to do, and the videographer, once he arrived and the owner of the shop arrived, and then we started to do the shoot. It was also a great one. It was for a jewelry, gold ornaments, and it was really great. I felt very nice wearing all that and giving those looks for the shoot. This was all my dream. Once I just dreamed of doing all this, and today, even if I'm not like getting paid for that, but I really feel good that I'm doing what I love to do, and that really makes me very happy. So yes, I completed the shoot by 6:30, and then I was really excited. I told my mom all this, and after coming home I told to my dad and all. It was really great time. Then I got freshened up and did some work. Then I had my dinner and slept at 10 o'clock, and that's how the another day came to an end. Then also, yes, I got the photos from the photographer that I had shot on Monday, the last photo shoot, and those photos really came out amazing, but they are taking a really long time to download. Like, it's of around 66 GB files, so it's taking very long time to download. But okay, once that is done, I will have to edit the photos, even make some reels. They themselves had made reels, like 2, and they posted them, and we really got a good response from it. So I'm very excited even to post the photos. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do today and all. Let's see now. I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.